A cracked heel is one thing that may be both bothersome and uncomfortable, as well as extremely ugly. These minor issues can cause a lot of discomforts and become quite annoying. Dry and thicker skin can cause a cracked heel. Additionally, cracked heels may result in these unpleasant symptoms: redness, itching, inflammation, swelling, skin peeling. It's critical to respond quickly when you notice these problems developing. Quick intervention can lessen symptoms and stop the bleeding and deepening of the crack. Various factors can lead to cracked heels, including dry air, lack of moisture, not taking good care of your feet, a poor diet, aging, prolonged standing, unsuitable footwear. Additionally, if you have one of the following conditions, you may be more susceptible to developing cracked heels: eczema, psoriasis, corns and calluses, diabetes, thyroid disease. Here are a few at-home remedies for cracked heels. 1. Vegetable oil. Beyond creating delicious sweets, vegetable oil has several uses. Maintaining healthy feet is the key to getting rid of cracked heels and preventing them from happening. Dry skin on the feet is typically the source of cracked heels. You can cure your dry, cracked heels at home with the following remedy. Wash and thoroughly dry your feet first. Spread a thin layer of vegetable oil on the areas of your foot that are cracked. Put on a pair of thick socks. Leave it on overnight. Wash off in the morning. Keep doing this for a couple of days to have smooth, healed feet. 2. Foot mask using rosewater, glycerin, lemon, and salt. You must allow your skin to recover before you can wear heels once more. The mask is ideal for treating cracked heels. Steps to take. Dip your feet into a basin of warm water. Fill the basin with raw salt, lemon juice, glycerin, and rose water. Spend 20 to 25 minutes soaking your feet in this water. Scrub your heels and the sides of your feet with a pumice stone or foot scrubber. Mix 1 teaspoon each of undiluted glycerin, rosewater, and lemon juice. Apply over your heels as cracks. Because this mixture will be sticky, we advise putting on some socks and leaving it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Continue until your heels are soft and healed, maybe a few days. 3. Vaseline and lemon juice. Vaseline with lemon juice is another unusual remedy that can treat your cracked heels. This is how you do it. Thoroughly wash and dry your heels. After cleaning out all the dirt, soak your feet in warm water for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse and pat dry. Combine lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Apply this mixture to the heels and other areas of your feet that may have cracks. Make sure to thoroughly rub this mixture into your skin until it is absorbed. Before going to bed, apply this mixture, and wear it overnight while wearing a pair of socks. These socks will aid in retaining body heat and improve the mixture's efficiency. Rinse your feet in the morning. 4. Bananas. Due to their moisturizing qualities, ripe bananas are one of the cheapest natural cures for cracked and dry heels. Apply the pulp of a ripe banana to the heel and foot areas that are cracked. Wear for approximately 15 minutes, then rinse off. An avocado and ripe banana can also be used to make a foot mask at home. Grab half an avocado and a ripe banana. Alternatively, use the flesh from half a green coconut. Use a blender to combine everything. Apply this rich, creamy paste on your feet's heels. Coconuts and avocados are rich in important fatty acids, vitamins, and essential oils. As a result, the mixture moisturizes and softens your feet while treating damaged heels. 5. Honey. Honey is not only a pleasant addition to tea and morning toast, but it also has several health benefits. Additionally, it can aid in the healing of dry, cracked feet. Combine 1 cup of honey with 1/2 bucket of warm water. Immerse your feet in water for 20 to 25 minutes. Gently scrub your feet to reveal smooth, silky feet. 6. Paraffin wax. Using paraffin wax, try this method to treat your painful and cracked heels. Combine some paraffin wax with either coconut oil or mustard oil. In a pan, heat the mixture until the wax is completely melted. Let it cool to room temperature. After it has cooled, spread it on your feet. Apply before going to bed and cover with a pair of thick socks for the greatest results. Thoroughly wash off in the morning. 7. Olive oil. The use of extra virgin olive oil in cooking and for health and cosmetic purposes offers many advantages. It is among the most organic approaches to having healthy, supple heels. Instructions. Use a cotton ball to apply some extra virgin olive oil. For 15 to 20 minutes, gently rub your feet in a circular manner. Cover up with a pair of thick cotton socks. After 1 hour, wash off. Next, combine 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of lavender or lemon essential oil in a tiny bottle. Add an equal amount of water. Properly combine it to create a thick solution. Use this homemade foot cream on your feet several times during the day and before going to bed. 8. Rice flour. Here is another wonderful scrub that works well to maintain healthy and soft feet using rice flour. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. To form a thick paste, mix in some honey and apple cider vinegar. You can also add a spoonful of olive oil or sweet almond oil if your heels are very dry and cracked. Soak your feet for 15 minutes in warm water. Use this paste to gently clean your feet to get rid of any dead skin. 9. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is another useful remedy that will help fight against dry, cracked feet. Instructions. Before going to bed each night, rub sesame oil on your heels and any other areas that may be cracked. Thoroughly rub onto the skin until it absorbs. Add a pair of socks as protection. Repetition is necessary every night to fix any cracks and keep gorgeous, smooth heels and feet. 10. Oatmeal. Who knew that oatmeal, in addition to being a delightful breakfast item, could also care for your heels? Instructions. Mix 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil and some powdered oats to create a thick paste. Apply this to your feet, paying particular attention to the heels and any other cracked areas. Keep on your feet for around 30 minutes. Afterwards, wash your feet with cold water. Pat dry. Do this every other day to cure your feet and get rid of all cracks. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.